Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to add jQuery to your HTML form. This is a very important lecture where you have to initiate the lectures with a practice or sessions using jQuery. How we are going to be integrating jQuery with a real-time functionality like external jQuery forms, how we are going to use, or ready-made real-time servers also, which is the offering for the URL to directly integrate with this URL to our website or web page and avail the jQuery functionality. Let's see how those are. If you want to download a jQuery from the direct library from the site, you go with the Google and open jQuery.com. You see here jQuery.com. Hit enter. You will find the jQuery site. You see here on right side, based on your operating system structure, like it may be Windows or Linux, or based on whether the CentOS or Apple Mac OS. Based on that your operating system, you have to download the jQuery version. The latest one you try to download. Why? Because the latest one will have many functionalities and updated trending technology involvements, the library programs and the libraries will be available. So you'll try to use the most probably the download of the latest jQuery library. And once you completed the downloaded of the jQuery, all simple you have to do like a simple thing. See here, come back to our document. Yes. Now, once the jQuery is downloaded from the site, this is the way you can go to make it as an available of jQuery availability in your page. See, I'll show you like a Sublime text editor. Yes, within this Sublime text editor, see here by writing such a script within the head tag, not here. Yes, within the head tag it is there now. Within the head tag, how we are called JavaScript. So called we have to write for to download the JavaScript like a jQuery library, and we have to specify one folder with the jQuery called, and there we need to place the jQuery library. Like this is the folder which is not available for the jQuery right now. So we can simply by making right click new folder and specify the name jQuery. Enter. That's it. jQuery is like added here. And what you do is download the jQuery from this site, the library, and add there and come back to here and specify the path of the file where it is available in your local machine. Whenever you are trying to production, submitting the production server and web server, these library files and all to be together, you have to upload to the main server. Then only the file will be available in the live and it will be function all the library functionalities of jQuery. All right. This is the by availing the function of one thing, right? And one more thing is very simple. I can show you now jQuery. Now, just simply I'll show you this thing. See the other one, jQuery CDN. We can call it as. If you want to use online jQuery from hosting server, you can include it from CDN content delivery network. Google will offer you to use someone who hosts jQuery. For an instance of help, you see the below link how to integrate the Google's providing of jQuery library. Just simply take this line and add in your head part. Here you can add this. The URL is https://ajax.googleapis.com/ajax/libs/jQuery and /3.5.1, which version we are called for this, and jQuery.min.js is the complete the file which we are going to be calling through online. By calling such type of URL in real time also, you can avail the jQuery library functionalities. That is the way very simply you can call such a simple libraries and all with a all from real-time servers as well. Most probably, mostly the recommendation is to be downloading the jQuery and maintaining in your local system is a very much like suggestible. So know sometimes if it is maybe updated, your functionality may differ with that. So you try to make it the functionality. You can try to download the jQuery library into your local computer system and try to use some stable versions of jQuery libraries and be with the stable version of what you have the library. That's it. So called you have learned the things of how to integrate the two ways. One is the way the local file and one is the way and like a real-time live server which is going to be interacting. The next lecture we'll see how to works with the jQuery. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.